Good morning, everyone. Together with my group mates, we would like to present and discuss to you Walmart's supply chain management. Before diving into the details, let us first take time to get to know Walmart as a company. Walmart Incorporated is a multinational retail corporation that operates a chain of hypermarkets, discount department stores, and grocery stores. Walmart is considered to be the world's largest company by revenue. It is also the largest private employer in the world with 2.2 million employees. It is a publicly traded family-owned business as the company is controlled by the Walton family. And the most interesting thing about this company is their pricing strategy. Walmart Incorporated adopted the strategy following its founding, building its reputation on being the store that offers consumers the lowest prices every day. And Walmart's pricing strategy has helped the company establish itself as a highly reputable company offering low prices.
Moving on, we will now discuss the supply chain management of Walmart. In managing the supply chain, there are three segments that we need to consider. These are the procurement, distribution, logistics, and inventory management. Starting with procurement. In order to adhere to its everyday low-cost policy, Walmart decided to eliminate the intermediaries and contacted suppliers directly to procure needed supplies. Walmart has long practiced strategic sourcing to find products at the best price from suppliers who are in a position to ensure they can meet demand. The company then establishes strategic partnership with most of their vendors, offering them the potential for long-term relationship and high-volume purchases in exchange for the lowest possible prices. As a seller of many vastly different products, Walmart has an extensive supply chain that consists of 2,800 suppliers worldwide. The majority of its suppliers are in the United States. However, the supply chain for Walmart stores is global, with suppliers in the UK, Canada, China, Mexico, Taiwan, Hong Kong, France, and other countries. Of the top 5 suppliers who generate large portions of their revenues from Walmart, 4 are US-based companies and 1 is based in Japan. These are Plug Power, Phine Electric, CCA Industries, Green Dot Corporation, and Primo Water Corporation. So next is the distribution and logistics. The company has a sprawling network of nearly 173 distribution centers covering almost 126 million square feet and are all within 134 miles of the stores it supplies. A powerful transport system is the highlight of Walmart's logistic infrastructure. Walmart uses its own trucking fleet and drivers with more than 3,500 trucks maintaining high minimum standards for its thousands of drivers, including 3 years and 250 miles of driving experience with no preventable accidents according to truckers' logic. Moreover, Walmart uses the cross-docking technique to replenish inventory efficiently. In cross-docking, products are taken from an arriving truck and packed in a truck bound for a store without lengthy storage. Suppliers deliver products to Walmart's distribution centers, where the product is cross-docked and then delivered to Walmart stores. Cross-docking keeps inventory and transportation costs down, reduces transportation time, and eliminates inefficiencies.
Lastly, we have inventory management. The effective inventory management of Walmart mainly depends on information systems and technology. Internet-based programs like RFID, CPFR, and EDI enabled faster communication among different parties and accurate inventory tracking. The CPFR, or the Collaborative Planning, Forecasting, and Replenishment Program, helps in estimating demand and coordinating business plans with supply chain partners. The data is shared between the suppliers and Walmart to ensure inventory availability in times with more sales and otherwise. Through this program, This cooperation enables Walmart to maintain the inventory in retail outlets and establish a reordering system that links the computers of suppliers to Walmart stores and warehouses. Further, in this program, suppliers typically will receive a message from the computer system whenever it identifies specific merchandise in the retail store that they needed to replenish. Afterward, a replenishment order is to be sent to the nearest warehouse of the suppliers through this computer system before delivering products to Walmart's distribution centers or stores. Radio frequency identification or RFID tags are used in warehouses to identify items and get their details in a short amount of time. The RFID tags contain all the information about that particular product, which is already available at hand once scanned with the scanner. As the products go through the scanner, it creates a real-time database that displays a clear picture of how much inventory is available and how much is part of the orders. It also enables the company to target a minimum stock and deliver at the right time, place, and price. Walmart developed Retail Link in the early 1990s. It is another IT application that Walmart utilizes for storing data and sharing data with its vendors. It also aids in shipment routing assignments. Meanwhile, Electronic Data Interchange or EDI reduces the manual efforts of transferring data from one entity to another. The data is transferred faster and more accurately among supply chains. It also reduces the chance of duplication of data and eliminates multiple data. Another fundamental strategy by Walmart has been its move to deal with manufacturers directly in the 1980s. Suppliers at that time became responsible for managing inventory in their warehouses. This shift in responsibility for inventory management from Walmart to the suppliers created a smoother flow of inventory management with fewer irregularities and helped ensure that products requested by customers are always available on the shelves. Here, we have the supply chain flow chart of Walmart. It starts with its manufacturers or suppliers from either domestic or overseas. In its overseas sourcing, supplies go through global merchandising centers before shipping and distributing to local distribution centers. On the other hand, domestic supplies either undergo transportation to distribution centers or direct to stores. Then, products reach the customers through the retail stores. In the next part, we will discuss the ethical and supply chain management issues that Walmart encountered.
Distribution and logistics. The Walmart stores were often too small to receive huge consignments of merchandise from suppliers. Walmart's stocks will be shipped back to Walmart's warehouse where it will be broken down and after that it will be redistributed to the stores so that the consignment that they will receive is not too big and is not too small. After that, in the early 1960s, Walmart laid the foundation basis for its supply chain strategy. They set about preparing the sites for huge warehouses. Walmart adopted the approach of a day's drive distribution center. The suppliers will deliver the stocks to the distribution center, and the distribution center that Walmart owned, they are the ones who will deliver stocks to Walmart stores. This would in return enable Walmart to open its stores near the distribution center while still observing the day's drive rule until it saturated the market. So Walmart opened stores near distribution center so that they can observe how the market is going on and they can control the distribution center because they own that and they are controlling the market. As a result, Walmart's strategy on logistics hand in hand with Walmart's use of technology allow the company to blow past competitors in areas of cost, real-time management of merchandise, and customer satisfaction. So as a result of this strategy, so it is basically a solution to distribution and logistics issue of Walmart. They satisfy the customers' wants and needs because distribution Walmart, there's a Walmart store near the distribution center and it can supply stocks easily and they can manage it. Number 2 issue of Walmart's supply chain management. It's inventory management problems. Walmart remains more stock in their distribution center rather than the store's backroom in order to improve flexibility across its supply chain. So Walmart remains more stock in the distribution center rather than the store's backroom because the supply chain of their store can be more flexible and fast, and it can supply the needs and wants of their customers because near the distribution center there is a store. Because of this, there are certain items in the store that are labeled as out of stock. As a result of frequent stockouts, the company lost $3 billion in sales in 2013. The shortages of stock in stores were blamed on employee cuts that hampered restocking. The shortages of stock was blamed on employees because employees were, I think, they are lazy to restock supplies because store's backroom has no more supplies and the distribution center has more supplies than the store's backroom. So as a solution to this problem, Walmart hopes to solve the problem by adding payroll hours for employees to rearrange and organize inventories in the store's backroom and move products to the front of the stores. So stocks that are not well known should be moved to the front so that customers will acknowledge the stocks that are new to their eyes, new to their taste, and Walmart company added payroll hours for employees to rearrange so that the employees will be energized to move, work, restock supplies. They will not be lazy anymore and they will work hard.
The third supply chain issue of Walmart is the failure of suppliers to deliver products on time. Another issue of unreplenished shelves in Walmart was caused by the supplier's failure to fulfill the must-arrive date of orders. As a result, the company demanded suppliers to comply with a 98% on-time in full shipment rule. which was a large increase from the last completion rate of 70%. If suppliers do not meet these demands, then they will be fined 3% of the cost of goods. Walmart did this in order to improve product availability and to make sure that the customers can purchase the specific products that they want whenever they want it. The fourth supply chain issue of Walmart is having bad healthcare coverage. As stated by the critics, Walmart is a highly regarded household name that has one of the worst healthcare policies in all of corporate America. To account for low wages, it pushes employees to get on several government-funded programs, such as Medicaid, public assistance, and public housing. In 2012, the company stopped offering health insurance to part-time employees working less than 24 hours per week. Walmart has made it even more difficult for associates to get quality health care for themselves and their families. In the last 5 years, the cost of Walmart's cheapest healthcare plan has more than doubled, and the cost of many of the company's family plans has more than quadrupled over that period.
That would be all on Walmart's supply chain management. Thanks for watching!